Hi my friends, today we model this part. It has some interesting features and the drawing is this. We start by creating this contour with the offset here and also this. Dimensions are all over 110, radius 12, radius 20, thickness of 2, dimension of 18, length of 25, angle of 35 degrees. 6 is the extrusion. Let's start. New, standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, XY plane, and we draw some lines. As I said, keep pressed the left button, go somewhere here, then tangent. Okay, place this center over the center point, then dimensions. This is 25. This is 12. And this is 110. We apply offset of 2 millimeters. Then we connect end lines. We continue with other lines. Start from here. I hover to catch the parallel. You see the parallel constraint. Keep press the left button, go on the same vertical with the center, you see it down. Then we go to this level with 0 degrees. Okay. Dimensions, this is 18, dimension in the drawing. Radius 20. This point is placed on this line, and also this point is placed on this line. Once again we apply offset of 2 millimeters to inside. Then we connect these 2 points. You have to see green to catch ends. Okay, now we project the axis Y as a base for an angle. This is that projection. I make it construction. Then I place the dimension of 35 degrees. I don't like this value because it is not placed in the drawing. This is our dimension. Now we see that this is not collinear with this. Let's apply collinearity. This with this. Let me see if they are, yes, they are okay. Parallel. We verify these two. Oh, it is okay. Then we apply the dimension 7 between these two lines. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. Finish, extrude, both 1, 2 closed contour, symmetrical on 6 millimeters. We continue with placing this mid volume at 3 millimeters thickness. We use the plane XY for a new sketch. We project geometry, all this contour and all this contour. We connect these 2 points. Take care to see green, my friends. Then from green to green. Okay, finish sketch. Extrude. What to extrude? This, this, or this? This, of course. Symmetrical on 3 millimeters. Okay, then we place this sphere, diameter of 14, placed at 25. We use again the plane XY for a new sketch. Then we project this line, F7. We draw a circle with this center, green, and diameter of 14. We draw a chord parallel with this. If we can, yes, we can catch them. And we place this line containing this center. Trim this arc, make center line this line, and apply revolve. Okay. Now we place this cylinder 20, remember 10, and the height is 25. We select this face for a new plane. Then we project this and we select the center of the line for a circle with diameter of 20. Finish sketch, extrude the other direction with the join on 25. Now we have to apply these 6 cuts. 26 is the first placement at the center. You see here the center of this slot, then the step of 15, and then 6 times for the line of 2.5 and radius 2.25. We use this plane. We project this face to have a possibility to dimension that slot. We select the slot center to center from here, here, and going up. Dimensions are 2.5 radius is 2.5. The positioning, if I project this line, the position is this point aligned with this center. The distance from the midpoint to the midpoint is 26. Finish sketch, extrude with cut all the way. Okay, now we have to multiply this slot in 6 occurrences rectangular. What is the feature? The feature is this extrusion. What is the direction? Direction is this. Since to the left, the distance is 15 and the number of occurrences is 6. Okay. Now we apply 3 arms. To do this, we use a circular pattern for all the features without this cylinder. What is the direction? This is the direction. How many occurrences? 3. Okay. You remember the hole here? We apply the tool hole, we select the face, we select the center, the dimension is 10 through the part. Okay. Very good. Now we can verify the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is somehow appropriate, similar with the former one. We keep the last value because the other model can be wrong. We know what we did together today. We apply material which is brass soft yellow, and we change this lighting style to be default lights. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.